So, you made yourself a disguise to stop them bullying you? Alright, don't worry. I'll just sit here and we can chat. Okay? They say that sometimes Snezhnaya and Faye will secretly switch their own child with a human baby. The Faye child seems very human at first, but only on the outside. Before long, she realizes that she's different. But she also knows she must hide her identity if she wants to survive.
Hey, look! I've never seen hair like hers before.
Wow, yeah! Those look like wings! Did you used to be a bird? Don't touch! It's my new hairstyle. My mom did it for me. She spent so long trying to be like other people. She just wanted to fit in. But try as she might, it never seemed to work. She was a square peg in a round hole. It was time to embrace her differences.
I can't believe this day has come.
Looks like you don't need that old hat anymore.
Look after yourselves. I'll always remember the conch gang, huh?
We'll miss you too, old boss.
All right, the rain stopped. Time to go. Don't worry about being different. The world's a big place, full of wonders and surprises. Keep exploring, and one day, you're sure to find others just like you. Huh? Oh, you wanna come with me? Let's go then. The wide world awaits.